Well, that to me looks perfect. Smallest tool I had, and it's in my carving set. Suddenly realised my parting tool was too thick. It made it too big and I couldn't get it in there. Did try my detailing tool, but again I could only get so much in. I needed something sharp to get in there. Okay, now as far as I can tell that's down to the bushings, so we'll now do a bit of sanding. And for my sanding I turn the lathe down. So we're now ready to do a CA finish. I always use these little plastic bags that you get with your pen kits on the end of my finger. Okay, I'm going to use thin CA. I won't show you all the coats, but that's what I'm going to be using. Now, rightly or wrongly, I always put the CA on the piece of cloth. I never put it directly on the workpiece. Squeaky, squeaky. Oh, it's lovely. Okay, so we'll take this off the lathe now and we'll get ready for assembling the pen. We're going to press this pen together. I've got all the parts laid out, as you can see along here, according to the instructions, so I'm now going to try and press this all together. So we'll start off with the lower tube. Make sure it goes in straight. That's good. Lovely. We'll do the same thing at the other end. Okay, well, so far so good. The O-rings go around these. And one round there. Good. Right. Now I confess that this is a bit I'm not quite sure about. We're going to see if this is right, because that comes out quite nice. So that little 1/8 step made all the difference. Now, got this lined up. Pattern follows through. Where do I want this to be? I think we'll have it there. Or there. I think we'll have it there. So this screws into the end. But before we do, we'll put the ink, put that in. Slip that over. There we go. Not bad at all. Move the pen press away and you can see that. There we go. Not bad at all. Okay, for my first attempt at one of these, I've never done one before, so quite pleased with it. It's come out with a super finish. The fittings are beautiful, there's no gaps in it, they're just flush, beautiful flush fittings, absolutely gorgeous. Just do a bit of movement on that. Ah, there you go, you see, it actually tightens up, and I didn't know that. Yeah, good. So very pleased. There you go. That is one classic Elite fountain pen, and this is from Pen Kits and Bits in the UK. Thanks for watching.